So, you want your website to have an internal search, a fast and reliable one that shows relevant and complete results. And ideally, you want an ad-free solution that won't cost you a fortune. Meet Site Search 360, a smart, powerful, easy-to-implement search engine. And when we say easy, we mean it. Simply enter your domain name, and our crawler will index your web pages right away. Use our Search Designer tool to make your search box look and feel like it was tailor-made for you. Now just copy a snippet of JavaScript to your site, and you're good to go. But if you want to take your search to the next level, you can filter results by their type, like news or products, plus show facets such as popularity, price, publication date, and more. Site Search 360 promises fair pricing with no unwanted third-party ads, a highly customizable, mobile-friendly, and accessibility-conscious search engine, a friendly and responsive team to assist with integration. Get a 2-week free trial, no credit card required. Site Search 360. Search made simple.